Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by bringing all camera files and your recorder audio into one event so everything is visible. Once done, enable audio waveforms and assign roles to keep camera audio versus lav tracks organized. This makes later adjustments faster. Next, scrub to a clear sync reference like a clap or slate pop and drop a marker. That marker is your anchor. Align the recorder's peak to the camera's peak, so the software or your eyeball can lock the clips together precisely. Choose the camera clip plus its matching recorder audio and use synchronize clips to match by audio or timecode. This saves time and often nails frame-level sync. If the automatic method struggles, open them in the timeline, zoom in on waveforms, and manually align the peaks. Use the left/right nudge keys for single-frame tweaks. Once aligned, make a compound clip or multicam so your synced result behaves as one asset. This prevents accidental drift while you trim. Finish by trimming edit points and rendering a short section to confirm everything plays back in lockstep. Make sure lips match sound. Once satisfied, export a small test file to check sync on other devices because players can reveal latency. If you see drift or mismatched waveforms, reopen the original files and sync using embedded timecode or manually create a single stereo mix of the recorder track to resync. That one troubleshooting trick often fixes intermittent drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.